Access control fundamentals questions. Let's start with 5 questions. Question 1. Privilege creep, which is authorization creep, can be avoided by implementing. Please pause the video to answer the question. So the answer is account review. So the authorization creep can be avoided by implementing account review. And the account review definition is the process of reviewing accounts and ensuring that their rights match their owner's role and job requirements. So what is this principle? This is the principle of least privilege, ensuring that their rights match their owner's role and job requirements. So let's go to the next question. Question 2. Leila got promoted to manager after working for 13 years in her organization. There is one issue which will come up if account review is not carried out properly. What is it? What is the issue? So the issue in this scenario is authorization creep. As we see from this scenario, that she changed her role. Okay, so she got a gradual accumulation of access rights, permissions, and privileges over time. So her account need to be reviewed, and the problem is authorization creep. Question 3. A database application was recently installed by an organization on a server. In order to simplify configuration, the service account used by the application team was provided administrative access. So the service account has administrative privileges. Due to a malware, the server got infected, and the same service account was used to escalate the privileges. So there is a privileges escalation in this scenario. As an administrator, which of the following principles was not followed? So there is no choice here. You have to answer the question directly after reading this scenario. So there is a service account having administrative access, full administrative access. This is the issue. This is what? This is a least privilege principle, which is assigning subjects only the minimum rights and permissions needed to accomplish the task. They didn't follow this principle. Next question. Question 4. Here's a question about authorization creep definition. Authorization creep is the best way to prevent it from occurring inside any organization is So authorization creep is the gradual accumulation of access rights, permissions, and privileges over time. Account review is the answer here. The best way to prevent it from occurring inside any organization is account review or review privilege principle. Question 5, the last question, is in a company, due to some careless senses, a junior employee of HR department was granted full access to all files on the company server, including employees, performance details, employee payroll details, and client feedback reports. The action in this scenario is known to us as excessive privilege. In this scenario, excessive privilege is when the user here, a junior employee, has more access, is having more than he wants. When a user has more access, privilege, or permission than assigned work task dictate. Thank you very much.